Hey everybody, I'm Chef Tom with atbbq.com, and this is smoked tuna tartare. We've got a beautiful little slab of ahi tuna that we're gonna be smoking up today. This is sushi grade, so it's totally cool to eat it raw. In fact, it's really delicious raw, but we're gonna add some flavor to it, and one of those flavors is smoke. But of course, since we're eating it raw, we're gonna be doing a cold smoke today. We're gonna be using the amazing tube smoker, filling it up with pellets. You can choose any type of pellets you like. These are hickory, but that's because I wanna get a little bit of extra smoke flavor on this tuna in a short amount of time, so we don't leave it in there too long. Now on the Yoder 640, really cool feature it has is when you turn it on, the fans start blowing, but you don't actually have to ignite anything. So instead of hitting the ignite button, we're just gonna go straight into the grill. This cold smoke's only gonna last about an hour. So instead of filling this thing all the way up, it's only about halfway full. That's been burning for about 30 seconds. So I know those pellets are lit. Now it's just gonna smoke back to the end of the tube while our tuna's on top. I'm gonna throw a frog mat down just to make sure nothing sticks. We got a little bonus piece of ahi from the seafood shop. But this is about 8 ounces and then a little extra added on. Ahi's been on for an hour now, still cool to the touch, but I want it colder before we dice it up. So we're gonna throw this back into the fridge. So now that this is cooled down even more, we're gonna go ahead and dice it up. Basically just little bite-sized pieces that in today's case, we're gonna be loading up onto some chips with some guac and some other goodness. Now we're gonna make sort of a dressing to coat our ahi, starting with about 2 tablespoons of lime juice to get that real bright citrus pop. Next we'll throw in a little bit more smoky, slightly heat. It's a chipotle and adobo sauce. And then drizzle in some of our roasted garlic, extra virgin olive oil. Now I'll have measurements for you guys, but honestly, do this to taste. You're gonna like one thing better than the other, one thing differently than I do. So there's no reason to absolutely follow a recipe on this. If you wanna make an adjustment, make an adjustment. So now let's add our diced up ahi to the dressing and just give it a good coating. Just finish this off with a little bit of our Jacobsen Sea Salt. All right, let's build some plates. So we're gonna plate these up kind of like nachos, starting with some blue corn tortilla chips. Add in a good dollop of our tartare. Get some cotija on top. And we're gonna add in some guacamole, just here and there. Finish this off with some Mexican crema and a pinch of cilantro microgreens. Let's give this a try now. More tuna. Oh my gosh. So refreshing. All of these bright flavors in here. Getting the citrus, getting the guac, the freshness of that tuna that's been just slightly marinated now, but not cooked. And then the textural contrast with the chips versus that really soft, tender tuna, as well as the guacamole. And then a little bit of, herbiness from those cilantro micros. What a great summertime snack. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to check out atbbq.com for all the products featured in today's video. If you enjoyed the recipe, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions or comments, if there's anything you'd like to see me cook, let me know in the comment section down below. Let's be good to one another. For more recipes, tips, and techniques, head over to atbbq.com/thesauce. All things barbecue, where barbecue legends are made.